James Bianco, president of Bianco Research, has been providing quality global macro research for about 20 years at his own firm. Before that, he worked in the financial industry and on Wall Street. And I would not call him a gold bug. In fact, I've been following his work for a number of years, and I can't remember him ever saying nice things about gold. But recently, he just did an interview, and he was endorsing gold very heavily. In fact, he actually just said in this new interview that gold has a nearly perfect correlation to the amount of negative debt in the world. So if rates continue to move lower and negative debt continues to grow, that will be a positive factor for gold, and gold will continue to catch a bid. For 5,000 years, the problem with gold was that it yields nothing. Today, gold is the highest yielding alternative in a world with negative interest rates. So this basically echoes a lot of what Ray Dalio said, very similar. So the smart money is either copying Stanley Druckenmiller and going into U.S. Treasuries, and or they're doing what Ray Dalio recommended, which is increase their gold holdings. James Bianco says he could see the gold price hitting $1,700 or $1,800 in the fourth quarter of this year in 2019, and maybe even making a run at the all-time high of $1,900 an ounce in U.S. dollars before the end of the year. And this echoes the gold price in every other currency, because the only currency where the gold price is not at or near an all-time high is in US dollars. It is close to an all-time high in euros. It is at or near an all-time high in basically every other currency. The only other currency where the gold price is not near an all-time high or at an all-time high is the US dollar. And that could change according to James Bianco, who I would not call a gold bug. Maybe he's a gold bug now, but in the past, I would not call him a gold bug. That could change in the near future. So what do you think? Are you worried now that more mainstream Wall Street people are now onto gold? Or do you just think in this bizarre world where there's zero interest rate policy or ZIRP and negative interest rate policy or NIRP, negative yielding debt, negative yielding corporate debt that has exploded, inverting yield curves, negative interest rate swaps, and a lot of other craziness, and even an inverted LIBOR, it seems gold is going to be the long-term winner in pretty much every currency?